a consecutive store for the entire day. Now I invite Rupesh to say Rushid to say the start of the day.
And say start. Love yourself and others. For love is the unseen of life. Thank you.
What is happening around us? I would like to call the neighbor to tell the news.
My name is Dhanishwar. I am telling now news. Telangana road over 3,000 then case November and October. Thank you.
Improve vocabulary, enhance languages skills. I invite my friend Gurudikshit to say new word.
Yes, good is from music. Today I am going to say new word. Equality. E-Q-L-A-T-I-T-E. Friends, please spell after me. Equality. E-Q-L-A-T-I-T-E. And
I would like to call B. Shiva to delivery a sweet science.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vishnu Kumar. I am from grade 5 subject. Now I am present speech on science. Natural science is systematic study of natural world, including the earth, atmosphere and living organisms. Branches of natural science include biology, chemistry, physics. Biology is study of living organisms. Chemistry is study of chemical reaction and process. Physics study of fundamental laws, universe, phase and time. Thank you. Have a